we're gonna need to make a decision. Should we purchase a vehicle for the channel? It could be a nice little project. The main reason we're gonna maybe buy it, this could be a great commuter for me, but it's hard to pass up its sexiness. I mean, just, it also comes with a great key tag. First things first, I just want to give a shout out. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we partner with Lamar Systems, and they have provided us with a new Sony a7 III. We've done a video on this bad boy before when we rented it. I'll put the link right here above. But it goes up to 120 FPS, gonna give us that buttery smooth slow motion that we've been wanting for a very long time. So thank you to Lamar Systems. They're gonna be providing all the camera equipment for us. No more delaying, let's go ahead and get right into it. Should we buy a Mini Cooper for the channel and do what we do with it? This is actually my dad's Mini Cooper that he just picked up, and it's badass car. I kind of like it. I'm really digging it. I mean, I know what you're thinking. It's no Trans Am, it's no Corvette, whatever, but this thing has a ton of potential, and I really think that we can get a hold, if we can get a hold of one pretty cheap, that we can make it into something really cool. So I'm still looking and I'm still thinking about it, but leave your comments below what you think. Should we buy one and transform and make it badass, or should we just keep focusing on Trans Am? I'm still gonna keep the truck. I'm just kind of looking for another option to save me a little bit of gas, because commuting in the truck, as far as I go, paying for fuel gets to be a little bit old. But so yeah, let's get going. We've got to go meet my dad. We've got to run a couple errands. In the meantime, let's do some video of this thing. Let's go.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending.
Paddle shifters too. Let's try these out. Downshift. Obviously, driving like this, you're not gonna get good gas mileage, but it's hard to not really get on it. I mean, it's kind of like a fun car. It's not overly stiff for as low as the car is, but it zips around. For some reason, every car that comes out of the dealer always comes with these gray trim pieces, and I don't like it. I don't like it. They always get dull over time. Plus, this is super fun to drive, and I could really get comfortable in this in traffic. You know, that's the main key here. How comfortable is it going to be in traffic? How well will it hold up? Put a couple speakers in here, make it nice. Yeah, I could really see this happening. Whoa. Everyone's looking at me weird because I have a GoPro on my face. Yeah. Get it, Cooper, get it. Look at this. Zipping through traffic here. Okay, one thing we are gonna do is we're gonna take this basically on the same trip that I make from home to work, so that we can see what kind of mile per gallon we're actually gonna get, and see how well it does. Just to test. Why not? We gotta run a couple errands anyways, meet up with Andy, so let's go ahead and get it done. to where I work, and it looks like we're right around 27.1 miles per gallon, which is not bad. That's really good. I'm pretty sure the truck probably gets 12 or 15, so we're doubling our miles per gallon. One of, I guess, my biggest complaint about this car so far is the lack of sun visor. I mean, I really need a good sun visor, because it's like around 8 o'clock in the morning right now and go to work. That's usually about the time that I'm in traffic, and the sun just glare. I mean, poking right into my eyes there. I really wish, and maybe they make one, but if this sun visor can just extend I just realized as I'm editing this video that there's actually a visor sitting right there, right next to me, but I just, for some reason, didn't notice it. So yeah, that's cool. A little more to about right here, it'd be perfect. And then I don't know what's up with this sunroof stuff. I really want to cover. I mean, look at the sun's poking right at me right through there. So that's, I guess, so far that's my biggest complaint. It didn't do so bad on the freeway. There's a rough spot on the freeway that it got a little rough, but the truck was about the same way. It's not any more stiffer than my truck rides with those big old tires on it. But there's Andy. Let's go mess with this dude.
Hey, why are you driving a Mini Cooper?
Why not?
Be looking like Bowser from Mario Karts. I knew you were gonna record me too. What the hell are you driving this car for?
Why not? It's fun.
Why are you recording me for?
You look grumpy this morning.
I'm sick as hell.
Are you? I'm getting close to you. But another good thing about the Mini Cooper is that I can haul a wheel for Piston Head's wheel repair, even though I don't work for them, but for some reason
it works for free, actually.
For some reason, are you like ever gonna hang out again, or what? Did you sell the rat rod?
No, but you charge me a monthly fee to be my friend.
Yeah.
It's been tough right now. I can't make the payment.
Bye. I'm about to get him. Yeah, right. Look at that. What's wrong with this dude? Big old mud tires. He's got no chance. 0 chance. Ah, this stinky ass diesel truck. So, what do you guys think? Should we buy one? Should we not buy one? I'm really considering it. It'd be a lot of work. It would take away from the Trans Am, obviously, but it may be worth it. It may be something, a little fun side thing that I can have. So leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. And we're almost to Abe's, and we'll get started on the vet.